Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to resize or scale a PDF to executive size using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and select Organize option. Now select Resize option and select a standard page size option. Just click this arrow and scroll down. Here you will find this executive size and select all page and check got care. Now select OK and see this our PDF file now converted to executive size. Now select file option and check document properties description and see this. Okay, and finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.